Hello, recyclers. We're here today at the Duncansville Compost Facility for our drop-off recycling of woody waste and your yard waste, which is the grass clippings, your small brush, and your leaves. And how we accept it here is you can come with your car in the brown bags, or you can bring it in plastic bags, but it has to be emptied out. Or you can bring it in your cardboard boxes and just drop it off out through here. Now we're going to look at our windrows that are along the side here that go the whole length of our Duncansville recycling facility and compost facility. What we do is we take our yard waste, which is the woody material and your green material, and we grind that up to make it into these nice, beautiful long windrows, which takes approximately 6 months to break down, and it becomes our beautiful compost. We go from our long windrows into our beautiful compost that can be used in your raised beds or in your gardens or any kind of soil amendment that you need. This stuff is absolutely awesome. It has red worms in it, and this is our yard waste that has broken down from the windrows into this beautiful compost here, which is $22 a scoop. And this is great, like I said, for your raised gardens, flower beds, any kind of amendment that you need for your soil. Now we're over at our brush pile over at the Duncansville Recycling Facility and Compost Facility. This is our beautiful tree trimmings that we get in. We get pine trees, maples, oaks, all of that. And whenever you come into the facility, we ask that you bring your tree trimmings and brush over to the far end of our facility. And there's always somebody here to direct you. And what we do is we take these trees and their trimmings and we make them into a beautiful single ground mulch that will lay here for a year for us, and then we will take it and make it into our double ground mulch that you can purchase. First off, you would get a key card and you swipe it at our key card gate, and then you come into the facility and we have our newspapers and phone books on this side, and we do have the acceptable materials that we do accept here, and we ask you to make sure that you separate them out into the proper receptacles. Like I stated, newspaper and phone books go over here. Then we have our shredded office paper, which you can bring that in a plastic bag and drop it into these bins also. Then we move on to our mixed paper, which is any of your colored paper, your brown paper bags that you get from your grocery stores, and that they can go in here. This is our mixed paper and the mixed office paper that has your colored papers and everything in it. Then we move into our magazines and our catalogs that you can drop that off here also. And we move into our empty cat food cans only. Then we have our aluminum cans only. And then we move into our metal food cans, which we also have a poster hanging up here that states the acceptable and non-acceptable materials that we accept here. We have plastic bottles 1 and 2 recycling in these large dumpsters here at our Duncansville facility, and that is just your plastic bottles 1 and 2 and the jugs, like your laundry detergent bottles, your water bottles, and your drink bottles. We have our glass recycling here at the Duncansville Recycling Facility also. It is separated out into the 3 different colors. You can put your brown glass in the first one, and clear glass, and then green glass. And we ask you to make sure that you put them in the designated receptacles. Here at the Duncansville facility, we also accept cardboard and your paperboard. We ask that you have it broken down and you can fit it into these cardboard recycling receptacles into the designated slots for your cardboard and paperboard recycling. If you are interested in coming here to our Duncansville Research and Development Compost Facility, this is our hours, and we are only open on Tuesdays from 12 to 5, and we accept your tree trimmings and your yard trimmings here at the facility. We do require you to pay if you have more than 3 bags, and we do offer our recycling key card program, which is a $30 membership fee a year, and then you receive your letter approximately a month before the expiration date, and you can come here to the Duncansville facility and pay that $30, or you can send it to our office. And the tipping fees are on all of our educational materials. And if you need to get in touch with us, our phone number is 814-942-7472.